Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here let me go back, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to the device unlock and go to fingerprint and face unlock. Tap on fingerprint and tap on agree. Here we will have to set a regular screen lock if you do not have one, so just tap on next and choose it. If you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. So I'll pick the pattern. Here we've got the note that we have to remember the lock screen password, so just tap on next. Let me draw it, redraw it, and we've got it. So here we've got immediately we've got the instructions of what to do with our finger. So we have to put it on the sensor, which is located on the power button. So we have to slowly slide it across the power button. So let me try to do it. As you can see, the device will just record the fingerprint. So just slowly slide it, which is not really a regular way of adding the fingerprint. Let's be honest, usually we are just putting it on the sensor multiple times. Alright, so just tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it just by tapping on the three dots icon. We can add another fingerprint if you wish to. You can here you can decide for what you'd like to use the fingerprint for. So screen unlock, app lock, hide apps, and data protection. Here you can decide what you'd like to do after unlocking the device. So every time we'll enter the home screen and the screen of unlock, so you can either use the light touch, so just put the finger on the sensor without pressing it, or firm touch, so put it and then press it. So it's totally up to you. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.